Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use our latest DeFi block. This block will allow you to get information from any token available in Aave. And for this particular block, I will then use this information to generate Discord messages. Before you can start using the block, I would recommend that you go into the Aave app. You can use your account, or it's okay if you're not connected. For you to understand what is available for our block, we use only two of the possible markets. Polygon for version 3, as you can see here, or Ethereum in version 2. This is important because the tokens that are going to be available for you to use depend on what is available here. So in this particular example, I'm going to use Polygon, and I'm going to choose DAI. So this is for some reason not working great, but I don't need it anymore. I know that DAI is available in Polygon, so I'm going to just search for the address in the Polygon chain. As you can see, this is the DAI stablecoin token. I'm going to copy the contract address here. This is the value I already have here. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and maybe choose another one so that we can see changes. Give me a sec. There we go. For some reason, it was getting reloaded a lot, and that was affecting the video. I'm going to choose link here. I know it's available in the Polygon market. So I'm going to go into Polygon scan, just type in, actually, maybe chain link is better. Yeah. Perfect. I'm going to choose this contract address, copy, go back, paste it, make sure the market chosen here is Polygon. This is the messages I structured. We're probably going to offer this as a recipe eventually, but just so that you can see what's available, I'm going to retype the address here. This block will allow you to use the token symbol, its address, its name, and of course, the information we want is the deposit or supply APY, the variable borrow APY, and the stable borrow APY. These are already used down here. So I'm going to put the address here again. I'm not going to go into too much details on the Discord block because this is covered in other tutorials, or you can just click on the more info here and it'll explain how you're able to use this and how to allow to give bot permission to posts in your channels. I chose my test server, the general channel, and I'm going to save the changes. Just for the sake of getting some information quickly, I'm going to turn this off and turn it on again, and that should create an automatic post. Also, if you want to make sure that things are working correctly, we offer this beautiful test block button. This will generate a message in Discord with fake data, but this will tell you if you see a green message here, it means it was successfully tested and that nothing's broken. The same goes for the Aave block. We can test it real quick. And we got an error. Hey, I'm back. Sorry, I was testing why this could have failed. This is super interesting. We don't even need to manually find the tokens. This is way better. If you go back to the Aave app, and you can just choose here whatever you want, you can click on the token, and then here you can click on this view token contracts, and it'll take you to Polygon scan, and you can just copy the address here, which is what I did, paste it here, and if we test, it works. So just again, for the sake of getting a post and showing you what the result is, I'm going to turn it up, back on again. I'm going to head back to Discord to my test server general. And as you can see, this is the information. We can now actually check on the app just to make sure. Sorry. Just to make sure that these values are correct, we've got a supply APY of 1.03% and a variable borrow APY of 4.57. If there is no stable borrow APY, it means stable borrowing is not an option. So let's just check that all of this is correct. Just go back here to the Aave app. I'm going to go back here. This is the supply APY, and it matches what we were seeing on our screen on Discord. And so does this. We've got, just let's double check because I thought I might have read wrong. No, perfect. 4.57%, 4.57% in link, and there is no supply APY. Stable APY. So that's about it for our new token APY and Discord bot.